What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2026 GMC Terrain. So taking a look at the Terrain's key fob, this button right here that's almost a full circle and says X2 on it, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, I'm just going to press that button twice quickly. The Terrain will respond by flashing its lights and then starting. The Terrain will run for 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and drive it. And you can extend that runtime up to 30 minutes, meaning however many remote starts you use, you can do a total runtime of 30 minutes before you'll need to get in and start it as you normally would. If we want to cancel the remote start or turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in it, we'll just hold the remote start button down for a couple seconds. Now we'll turn it off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. Then in order to drive the vehicle just as we normally would, we'll need to get in. And then once you're in, even though the vehicle's already running, press the brake, stop start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal and everything is functioning as it normally would. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.